This is Igbo area.
Hello, welcome. Today, we present you with brief stories of 3 extraordinary and young Igbos who are doing you and us proud in diaspora. They are: number 1, Emmanuel Ohuabunwa. Emmanuel hails from Aroshuku in Abia State. He is the first black man to make a 3.98 out of maximum 4.00 CGPA to bag a first class in neurosciences from Johns Hopkins University, USA. For his efforts, Emmanuel was awarded a scholarship to Yale University to pursue a degree in medicine. Besides, he has been inducted into the Phi Beta Kappa Society, a prestigious honors group that features 17 U.S. presidents, 37 U.S. Supreme Court justices, and 136 Nobel laureate prize winners. Number 2, Kevin Okafor. A remarkable and talented sketch artist, Kevin Okafor, based in Tottenham, has whooped a lot of international awards for his drawings that are often mistaken for photographs. His sketches sell for about $21,000 each. According to Kevin, it takes him about 5 days of work with charcoal and pencil to bring to life his sketches that have been described as more lifelike than photographs. Number 3, Zane Asha Ejiofor. Hollywood actor Chiwetel Ejiofor's blood sister, Zane is a business and personal finance correspondent for CNN, where she appears across various platforms covering the latest news and trends on money and economy. Born and raised in London, Zane graduated from Oxford University, where she read French and Spanish languages and often bagged a distinction in oral Spanish. Apart from CNN, Zane, a contributing reporter for Forbes.com, as well as The Guardian, The Oxford Reporter, CNN Money, and ASmallWorld.net. She covers business trends and consumer stories. Zane Asha Ejiofor has lived in London, Mexico, France, and Nigeria. She fluently speaks Igbo, English, Spanish, and French languages. We are proud to present to you 3 young, astounding Igbos. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. God bless you and bye for now.